Coincident constraint. Here I have two lines. If I just grab one, I can move it around. If I grab the other one, I can move it around. These two lines are not tied together. But if I take one of these points of the lines and drag it over to the other point and let go, you can see here I have to the bottom and left of my cursor, I have a coincident constraint. You can see that little shaded glyph there. That means these two lines are tied together. Now when I come and select this, you see the two endpoints are tied together. So this is called a coincident constraint. All right. So when we create lines from scratch, it automatically puts a coincident constraint on there. So there is one right here. When I hover over it, you can see that coincident constraint shows up to the lower left of my cursor. So if I were to grab a hold of it, these two lines are automatically constrained by the coincident constraint. But you can manually add a coincident constraint by dragging one point onto the other. And you can also come in here and you can kind of see sometimes if there's a constraint. Sometimes you're going, oh, there it is, right? If you pick on it, you can see it a little easier. All right, and I can delete that constraint, and now that constraint is not there, and you can see now that I have no constraints tying the two together. So this is a coincident constraint. It's found right here up in our sketch